Okay, we just had a terrible storm just before New Year's Eve, and I bought a brand new snowblower. It's a Cub Cadet, and I hope my lens isn't fogging up. But here's Dad. If we can see him out there. This is blizzard condition, by the way. This is terrible. We just had an ice storm, and everything was covered with ice. If you look at this is the neighbor's garage here, and these icicles are almost getting all the way down to the ground. That one there is a mammoth. Anyway, that's the new Cub Cadet. We got ice in there. Are you getting the hang of it?
Yeah, I think so. Don't think so. I'm not used to this modern convenience.
Yeah? It's a lot easier?
Yeah, you just going out of trouble.
Okay. Are you getting the hang of this lever here?
Yes, I'm trying to aim it away from the house.
Yeah. Well, we don't have to blow it all out, I guess. Okay. So, Happy New Year to everybody. And hope you guys all stay warm. This sucks. Meatballs. It's New Year's Eve, 2010, and I'm making a bunch of meatballs, drinking Baileys and coffee right now. And then this is the hamburger I made with the meatball meat, and I put a piece of that Danish blue cheese on top. Pretty good. So anyway, for New Year's Eve tonight, we're snowed in, and I'm gonna make meatballs with grape jelly and see if it comes anywhere near to what Mom has made, or maybe better. Okay. Oh, love y'all. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody, 2011. And we just got our second hit of snow. This is the second part of the storm. We got another 4 inches. And we already snow blowed this out yesterday. There's the Devlin calls that the Tauntaun, I think. The snow beast. There's my car, another 4 inches on top of it. And that big cloud, I'm getting hit by a bunch of snow right here. This is the snow pile. You can see that it's as tall as what my car is, right there. And out here in the street, if you don't have a 4-wheel drive, you're not going anywhere today. So I got stuck with a 4-wheel drive right here, just parked right there. Okay. Dad's over here snow blowing. You gotta really watch it because it's a lot of ice out here. There's the snowblower, Club Cadet, and then we just dug out a parking spot up here for the truck. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to everybody that you're going to send this snow. And I hope many more returns to everybody.
Yeah, and hopefully it quits snowing.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think of that snowblower?
I think it's better than shovel, not the darn shovel.
Okay.
But I don't think, you got rocks in there, and I don't think I can get that any better. If you want to get better, you'll probably have to shovel out everything there.
That'll be okay. Okay. There's Dad, the snow blowing fool now. Been shoveling snow for how many years? Here's the sidewalk you just snow blowed off. We still got to go up to the doorstep. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here because I'm getting snow all over my camera and I don't want to wreck it. So Happy New Year to everybody, and we love you, and we'll see you later and talk to you later. Bye bye.